Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the trigger of your Dyson V10 vacuum. Before we dive into the steps, let's go over the tools you will need. 1. Phillips screwdriver. This is essential for removing screws. 2. Flathead screwdriver, useful for prying open components carefully. 3. Tweezers, helpful for handling small parts. 4. Compressed air can, for cleaning out dust and debris inside the vacuum. Now that you have your tools ready, let's get started. Step 1. Safety first. Before beginning, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. This prevents any accidental starts during the repair. If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and hassle. Step 2. Remove the battery. Locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press it to detach the battery. This step is crucial to ensure safety when working on the unit. Step 3. Unscrew the housing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws on the back housing of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place, preferably in a small container, to avoid losing them. There might be 4 screws total. Once unscrewed, gently pull the housing apart. Step 4. Clean internals. Before you proceed, use the compressed air can to blow out any accumulated dust and debris inside. This not only improves the vacuum's performance but also makes it easier to work on. Step 5. Access the trigger mechanism. With the housing removed, locate the trigger mechanism. You'll see a small clip that holds the trigger in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry it open to release the trigger. Step 6. Replace the trigger. Once the trigger is free, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Ensure it fits snugly before reattaching the clip. If you find it difficult, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you won't have to deal with transportation hassles. Step 7. Reassemble the housing. After replacing the trigger, it's time to put the vacuum back together. Align the back housing and press it gently into place. Reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver to secure it. Step 8. Reattach the battery. Once the housing is securely back in place, reinsert the battery by sliding it into the compartment until you hear a click. This confirms it's locked in. Step 9. Test the trigger. Before you clean, it's a good idea to test the new trigger. Plug the vacuum in and press the trigger to ensure it operates smoothly. If it doesn't work properly, it may be wise to seek professional advice. We provide a quote before repair, helping you make informed decisions. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum. If you encounter any issues during the process or prefer not to handle it yourself, our services ensure no calls, no travel are necessary. We're here to help you with every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.